I dey talk this, and I won't. You get one thing I talk. My papa say, now my papa call me. Wait till I ever say self. Wait till every time my papa say. I tell my papa say, but that boy, you know, say I dey vex for you. My papa say, why? I tell my papa say, now there's something about Delta men. Let me call that. It's my town. So there is something about my papa just born us full house. That is one thing about poverty. When you're not poor, everything. I ask my papa, why you born us plenty like this for us? And my papa say, you no go understand. When you no get work, every time you wake up now your wife, you will see why she did plenty. I say, okay. Now what I think no say problem. Now when I want write jam. Now let me go back to old days. When I want write jam, I reach one place. You know when they feed jam for me, get one place they go feed date of birth. I finish one place, date of birth. Let me ask my papa. Daddy, he said, when they born me, said, now my papa look me, oh 9B. Now my papa asked me, must you feed that place? I said, yeah. Job 1982. I said, Daddy, 82. He said, as I want right now, my mama said, no. Not be 82, I born 9B. 9B is 84. I write 82, I cancel write 84. My papa and mama got the quarrel. Oh, they argue. Now my grandmama will carry me. 9B. I said, Daddy, Mommy, what did they bring quarrel this morning? I said, my mama and my papa, they confused me. My mama said they bought me 84. My papa said they bought me 82. Now my grandmama looked me. Hey, yeah. Just pull 82 stroke 84. And now quarrel for this.
Wow. I don't really like talking about Nigeria because the thing that made me the verse for real. No jokes. Not be like this, I plan to live my life now. I used to be a rapper back then in the wonderful city of Warri. They give me hope, Baba, in this town, you know, fit this town. We'll soon see you finish. Enter Lagos. That made me like worry, don't tell you the truth. So, you know, I will see you finish because we don't know your lyrics. Except you go bring me one. So I can't enter Lagos 2003. Officially, I don't they come before, but now I enter Costi. You know, so when I come to Lagos, now before I go back to that story, whatever you do for life, especially if you do entertainment, you must mind the level of people when they hear you. Because on hailing go only further put you for trouble. If then even they hear you, you get something so you go hear by yourself, you go know you remove that one for your mind. Then because they not hear me normal hailing. And the rap normally, but they tell me, Baba, you too good. Baba, you good. Baba, what am I the rap? Once that the matter don't at that level, you need to calm down. What am I the rap now? Where you do wordplay, will be vector normally. Baba, your talent not be single. Drop album. Baba, drop album. Drop album. I can't listen to them. I can't drop album. So that after like 1 week, I can go pick the album where I drop her. So I can't decide to say, I want to quit this music now. This is, thing don't turn on that thing. You don't understand. So one bros call me for phone. Now the guy call me for phone, say, Efe. I say, bros. Efe. I say, bros. He call me the third time, Efe. I say, bros. He say, what you had the year? I said, I don't know. I don't know where you did. He said, the year say you won't quit music. I said, bros, you don't hear the story later. I don't already quit. He said, no, it can't happen. It can't happen. Not in this lifetime. What do you go need to take? What do you make you want to quit? I said, I don't even find money to shoot videos since I never seen her. He said, like, how much you need to shoot that video? I said, 600K. He said, so if I give you 600K in a video, will come outside? I said, yes. He said, okay, see me on Tuesday. So I could go see the bros on Tuesday, because it not be that Tuesday in the talk. I could go on that Tuesday, so not be that Tuesday in the talk. You know, to cut the long story short, I go that guy plays like 82 different Tuesdays. So now, the way the guy come beg me the cash card. Now I got to say, okay, it's time for God to really punish this guy. And the bad part is, ask me how much you get for this. I said, 200. They say, use a buy card for me. I don't buy the card, this shit don't matter, because I've been a jazz. Now I load the card. Now I send a test, God will punish you for this lifetime. So that's how I quit music. You know, and I'm from Warri. So there are so many things people like say, it dey happen for this life. Get away with the look at from Warri. It did very, very different. You don't understand. I remember when my father is late now. So it will not be right if I don't talk about him. Because he may not know say I go make her really. God, this life switcher when you don't make up. I remember, see, as a man, let me this. If you not take anything from this performance, take this thing. As a man, if you won't mess up, hide that from your wife. Because where woman will go remind you the thing. If you where you go commit suicide. I don't ever forget this thing will happen for my compound. That thing humble my papa for life. My papa is snore normally. When my papa is snore, the full compound knows he don't sleep. Except you two they sleep. So on this particular day, this story entered another level. So our neighbor from up come down. Come they knock our window, things say lie on the compound. This is no joke. And my pastor, remember people mind the way that they laugh. It's late. So the man now come they knock our window. Uncle Sylvester, and I be my pandi. Uncle Sylvester. My papa no fit here. Because now be the lion. So mama can wake up say, they are calling. Now my papa jump up, now I go outside, now I go meet the man. My papa say, what's up? The man say, I be very convinced, say lion did this compound. I say, what? Which compound? He said, this compound, they get lion. This thing, my papa, you run go carry gun. Come outside, they begin find lion for the compound. They don't find this lion for like 30 minutes. My papa can say, wait. But since I come, I never hear the noise. They must say, myself shock. I never hear the noise since. Now my papa say, like I said, this lion, but they one place they look also. Mo enter our house. Now my papa enter house. As my papa they enter, my mama sit down for bed, they look at. He hold gun for hand. My mama call him first name, Sylvester. My papa say what? He say, if they give you a chance, you kill yourself. My papa said, what kind of stupid talk is that? He said, what do you carry this gun go for? Yeah, Samson's father said there's lion in this company. He said, so you know that you be the lion. Now you're snoring. Since that day, my partner they sleep for night, so if not talk of to snore. Once my mother day as my partner is sleep, they watch TV till morning. So you must mind. So I get some things where like, okay. First, let me even come back to Nigeria. Because the truth about the thing is, there's only one way we can repair this country. Either by acting or by talking. I choose to talk. That's the way they act. Yes. Because everybody knows where their strength is. You understand? So, but fact, this is where I'll give you a Google fact. Nigeria is the only country in the world we get information minister, we not get information. If they Google, this cannot be lying. Fact. Because I remember vividly, last year they said they seen Nnamdi Kanu for Israel. Our information minister go tweet. Say if they don't bring back Nnamdi Kanu in the next 48 hours, we are going to fight Israel. I said, who be we? So if you smoke it, we will affect the full country. Like stupid talk. You know, but what made me like Nigeria? If for you to function well for this country, just come up for your mind, say government day. You get some policemen for this country we don't believe say government do. They never even want to know where the salary they come. They say government not day. Can't go and die for what? Somebody say it's better to, if you love your country, where you can die for your country. If all of us die, we go do the watch the country to better. Some people their destiny not to die. People like Jesus, that's his work. So he has done it for me. What I want to kill myself for now? See another person. People, you see, you can't kill yourself for this country. People don't use shame to use their last money do give away. Maybe for the hate them for social media. Because they borrow money. Meanwhile, the people where they hate you may do this giveaway so. Some of them get past you, but you don't know. I don't do giveaway 5,000 give person with this iPhone 11 before. They will see the guy. I just feel like good. No be joke. So, this, like I was saying, if you work for Nigeria, you guys use your number 6. I respect the police a lot. You get one period where they just wake up from sleep, say Boko Haram, not the key army. They can go recruit 190 policemen. May they go join army fight Boko Haram. What do you mean like Nigerian police? They're not going to tell you say they're not going to do. They'll fair reach there, they'll come do it in their mind. They go to training, 30 days, they follow army, they train. Buto, clinking, clanking, everybody turn left, everybody go. All of them do the same thing. They get a uniform. After the training, as army face Sambisa, now the police face us.
Yeah, everyone. It was so cool, so funny. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you had a nice time. Please, whenever you're going out, make sure you wear your mask. Make sure you keep your hands sanitized. Make sure you obey all the rules and regulations during the COVID-19. Just make sure you be as clean as you can. Thank you so much for joining us. Until next episode, God bless.